Well, hello folks, back again for an update on WSJPTV, PPPTV, PPPTV, WXJYXMNNOLOPADBCSPPTV. We're just having fun out here in the snow, just galloping around and sliding around. Oh, damn. Oh. Man down. Where's my life alert when I need it? Sorry about that, folks. Took a little spill there, but it's snowing pretty good. The 14 feet of snow are still coming down. Picture this, folks. A big fat bald, or not bald, but a big fat head with hair on it, and someone shaking it because dandruff's coming down so much. That's what it's like when it's snowing here. It is really coming down, folks. It's time to go get the barbecue set up and lit and get your power wheel and start throwing donuts. Ain't that right, Phil? That's right, Andy. Alrighty then, welcome back. Thanks for holding. So, stay tuned. I'll give you brief updates on the hurricane blizzard. That's right, folks. It's a hurricane blizzard. Think about thinking about it, and when it crosses your mind, let me know and get back to me via Twitter, IG, Snapchat, Facebook, or any other social media crap, huh? So yes, stay tuned. Keep having fun in the snow. It's really coming down, folks. As you can see, it is coming down. I can't even hardly see it. It's snowing so bad. Whew, having a good time. So stay tuned for more updates from living in Minnesota, in the great state of Minnesota, and the life of the snow day with Andy. Stay tuned.